Non-linear editing in Premiere Pro. So Premiere Pro is a non-linear editor. So what does non-linear editing mean? It means that we can work on any part of the project we want. We can work on the end and the beginning. It doesn't really matter. We can make any changes or edits at any place in the project. So we don't have to start at the very beginning and go to the end in a start to finish process. So it allows us to replace, move, change things, anything we want in any order we want. And so what we do is we combine multiple pieces of media that we call clips. Clips gets its name from the old days when we had film and we actually had to cut it off the reel. So we clipped it off the reel and we spliced them together with a razor blade back in the day. And so this allows us to take these clips and arrange them in any order we want and apply any effects that we want at any order we want. So Premiere Pro is known to be a non-linear editor.